What up guys, today I want to share with you another brand new mining application. So in this video I'll be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how you can get started, how you can download the application on your mobile phone, and how you can activate your mining every single day, once in every 24 hours. I'll be showing you all that in this video. And mind you, this is a brand new mining application, so guys, you need to really pay attention to details here so you don't miss out on any information I'll be dropping right here right now. So guys, if you're interested in everything I just talked about, you need to sit down, watch this video closely, and stick to it to the end. So in order for you to get started, you need to use the link in the description of this video, and once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page looking like this. Now this is where you're going to get started, where you're going to be filling in your email address. So you just have to put in your email address in this box over here, and once you finish doing that, you put your email here. Once you finish doing that, you have to click here to prove that you are not a robot. And once you do that, click on get code. So once you click on get code, a code will be sent to your email address, the email address that you've already added here. So a code will be sent to it. Then you have to go to your email address, you copy the code and you bring it over here, then you paste it in the box where it says 6-digit code. So you just put the code there. Then the next thing you do is to click on continue. So after that, you'll get to this next page where you have to create your password. So you create your password in the first box, you repeat it in the second box, and you will have to click on continue. And once you click on continue, you are good to go. Your account will be created. You are going to get to an interface looking like this. Now this is where everything is happening, this is where everything is going on. So once you get here, the next thing you should do is to click on this button in the middle over here, this very button you can see here. Just click on it. That's where you're going to be activating your mining. So let me quickly do that. You can do this once in every 24 hours. Now you have to take note of this. In order for you to accumulate more of this token, you have to get ready to be able to click this button exactly at 1 a.m. because the mining is always once in every 24 hours. So if you're going to be clicking at exactly at 1 a.m, you are going to mine the complete 24 hours. But if you're going to be clicking maybe in the morning like 7 a.m or so, just know that you've already missed the mining from 1 a.m till 7. So that's how it works anyway. So you have to keep to time in order for you to accumulate more of this token. So that's all. You click there and you can start mining immediately. Now in order for you to you can see already I am on the application. I am not using the web browser, I'm on the application. So in order for you to download the application, after you sign up and you started mining, you should be able to download your application. Now let me quickly show you how you can download the app if you are on the web right now. Alright, so once you finish signing up and everything, you also realize there will be they will give you a message will be prompted over here. You see something here and it will be asking you to install the application, but it won't last, it won't stay there for a long time. So you can click on the install and you install the app automatically, or you can just click over here, click on the 3 dots button which is on your browser over here, click on it and it's let me show you. You click over here, very good. Then once you click on it, you see over here where you can see open OGC. It's showing open OGC because I already have the app, but yours you are going to see install app. Click on it and wait few minutes or few seconds. It's going to install automatically on your mobile phone. Then you can dive into your application and use your application instead of using the website. So that's how you can download the application and install it on your mobile phone. All right, so in order for you to also share your referral code, let me see your referral link. You just have to click on this invite friends, and once you invite friends, you can also accumulate more of this token. So you need to click on it and you have to copy your code, your invitation code, your invitation link, and then you can share with your friends. This is it over here. Then you just click on copy, which is over here, click on copy over here. Then you can go ahead share in order for you to bring more people onto the platform. They will also get like 30 token of the OGC. They'll be receiving 30 coin of the OGC, while you also receive steady rewards from that. Now apart from that, you guys need to also jump into the community. Go ahead, click on join community so you can follow up with their updates and know what is really going on this platform. Now we also have the staking function that will be launching very soon. Right now it's not functional, so guys, it's something you should quickly take advantage of before everything starts working very well, because this app is still very new. Just like I said, very new. We are not yet up to 100k miners also, so they just hit 50k miners recently. At the time of this video, at the time of me making this video, they just hit 50k miners. So guys, it is still new, fresh one, and it is completely free. Hop on it and take maximum advantage of this mining application right here, right now. So guys, apart from that, you can also take your time to go through the whole application. I always tell you guys to do this. Once you get into a project like this, take your time to go through it to understand what you're getting yourself involved in. So take your time to go through the application and check every section of it to know what is really new and what you are to be expecting in the nearest future of this application. So like I said, the staking is not yet active, but it's coming up very soon. So you can see over here, it is written over here. So you take your time to read, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. You follow them on Twitter, join the Discord group, join the Discord server so you can get the latest update, join their Telegram so you can also get the latest gist and updates from this project. So guys, this is definitely for free. We are not paying anything over here, although the OGC token that we are mining is a gaming coin, it's a gaming project. So for now we are just mining, and let's accumulate the token, or let me say the coin for now, and expect goodies in the nearest future. So guys, that is just the simple things you need to understand and know about this project. For now, I'm still going to be giving you guys more updates about this. As long as you stick with me on this channel, I'll definitely bring you guys more updates that you are going to take advantage of. So that is just simple things I need you guys to understand here. So if you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe if this is your first time on my YouTube channel. Subscribe now and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. So guys, I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.